So we have 12 cards. A card will either have A, E, or U on it. We're supposed to work out probability of A, E, and U and place the event on a scale. The scale given to us has 6 sections, so each answer that we have, we can rewrite it in equivalent way to make it out of 6. So we label our scale. P of A, there's only 2 cards with A, so 2 over 12, which is 1 over 6. So we put P of A on the scale. P of E, 6 cards flashing, so that's 6 over 12. 6 over 12 is 1/2, or 3 over 6. So we put P of E on 3 over 6, or half. P of U, 4 cards flashing, 4 over 12, or 2 over 6. So this is how we put events on a scale. And you can be asked to describe it. If you are asked to describe it, P of E is events, P of A and P of U are all unlikely events,